getting our gear together, then making a long 3-hour drive. Dean and I are headed to Blue Bend Trail in the Cumberland Falls area. This trail actually shares parking with Eagle Falls that we have hiked several times. This trail is rated as easy. We both agree. We hiked counterclockwise as suggested by other reviewers to get the hill done first. This trail is said to be 4.5 miles, and others say that's wrong. We'll get into that more in a bit. But there are no amazing overlooks, there are no arches or waterfalls. Half of this trail does follow the Cumberland River and has one good place to step out for a good view and a photo. This trail is in good shape and well marked. The trailhead sign and All Trails website has this trail listed as 4.5 miles. Other reviewers have stated it's 5 miles or 5.5 miles. I tracked this trail with my iPhone All Trails app and also my Garmin hiking GPS. The iPhone with the All Trails app tracked this hike at exactly 5.0 miles, while my Garmin GPS says this trail was 4.6 miles. I don't know which is more accurate, but one device was designed to do one thing, be a GPS. The other is a free app on a phone that does many things and none real good. I'm not saying the phone is wrong, I just trust the Garmin more as a GPS. I have also noticed since in the past couple of days, All Trails has changed this hike listing to 5.2 miles. Neither of my devices or any other reviewers are coming up with 5.2.